Busy? Craving chocolate? Let's make a rich, moist chocolate cake with just 5 ingredients and 5 simple steps. It's quick, it's easy, and it's life-changing. Here's all you need: all-purpose flour, cocoa powder, sugar, eggs, and butter. That's it, no fancy stuff. Step 1. Combine 1 cup flour, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, and 1/2 cup sugar in a bowl. Tip: sift your cocoa powder for extra fluffiness. Step 2. Crack 2 eggs and melt 1/2 cup butter, then mix it all into your dry ingredients. Tip: melted butter gives the cake that rich, velvety texture. Step 3. Pour the batter into a greased baking pan. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit, 175 degrees Celsius for 25 minutes. Bonus tip: use a toothpick. If it comes out clean, you're golden. Look at that perfection. Let it cool for 5 minutes. Optional: sprinkle powdered sugar or drizzle melted chocolate for extra flair. 1 bowl, 1 pan, and just 5 ingredients. Who knew baking could be this simple? Share this recipe with someone who loves chocolate as much as you do.